Mario was just finishing up a race with Bowser when his friend Luigi handed him a mysterious map. "This might interest you, Mario," Luigi said, gesturing towards an intricate sketch of underwater caverns and pathways. Curiosity piqued, Mario decided to embark on an adventure beneath the waves of Bikini Bottom. Luigi waved goodbye as Mario donned his frog suit, perfect for swimming under the sea. "I wonder how SpongeBob's doing," Mario mused to himself as he took the plunge into the ocean. Down there, unmistakably, was SpongeBob SquarePants, trying his best to fend off jellyfish while chasing floating power-ups. "Mario, I'm so glad to see you," SpongeBob exclaimed as Mario swam up. "I need to collect all these sea power-ups to help restore Bikini Bottom's harmony." Mario smiled reassuringly. Together, they swam through vibrant coral reefs and avoided menacing sea creatures lurking in the shadows. The first power-up was tangled in seaweed. "Let me try," Mario offered as he twisted and maneuvered until finally, the glowing object was free. SpongeBob whooped with joy. "Great job, Mario." As they moved deeper, the water became murkier. Suddenly, an enormous sea dragon appeared, blocking their path. "Looks like we'll have to work together," SpongeBob said with determination. Mario nodded, and with a clever combination of bubble blasts and fire flowers, they outsmarted the dragon and continued onward. Just around the bend was a series of bubbles. "This one's tricky," Mario said, staring at the rotating pattern. SpongeBob grinned. "I'll handle this." With his bubble-blowing expertise, SpongeBob navigated the puzzle with ease and gained another power-up. Finally, they reached the cave where the last power-up shimmered. Hesitating, Mario realized that it was guarded by a band of mischievous sea urchins. "Let's go, SpongeBob," Mario said, leaping forward. SpongeBob followed, and together they performed a breathtaking underwater dance, dodging the sea urchins with finesse. With all the power-ups collected, Bikini Bottom radiated with newfound energy and color, restoring tranquility among the sea creatures. "Thank you, Mario," SpongeBob said as they surfaced. "Anytime, my friend. Until our next adventure," Mario replied, waving as he headed back towards the kingdom, knowing he had a story to share with Luigi. Adventure completed and friends bonded, Bikini Bottom glistened in harmony once more.